So what you can also do is insert out links inside of diagrams right here in diagrams.net. So to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto the arrange menu. And if I were to go around onto insert right here, then you can see that link is an option. If I were to go around and select this, then you can see that I can go around and drag in a URL right here, which becomes clickable. So let's say, for example, if I were to go around and type in www.youtube.com/tutortube, then this is a URL right here. So I can just go around and insert it, and it gets inserted out as a link, as you can see right here, which becomes clickable right here. You can go around and change around the shape, as you can see, just like this, and then format this out so that it looks more like a button as well. So this is how you can go around, insert out the link. And if you were to click on this edit link button right here, then you can edit it out as well. So you can also choose so that whenever someone clicks on the link, this opens in a new window. And this especially is helpful when someone is viewing out the diagram from a web page. You can also link this out onto a particular page. Let's say, for example, I have page 2 right here. So instead of linking it on a particular web page, you can go around and link it to a page that you have as well on the diagram. So once that happens, what happens is that you can see this link right here. And as someone clicks on it, you can see that it goes to page 2 as well. This is how you can make your diagrams more interactive as well by linking one page to the other. So that is how you can insert out links inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.